Hi everybody! I had a couple ideas that I wanted to share with you today. And I thought there's got to be plenty of paper towel and toilet paper rolls around the house lately, don't you think? So I came up with two different activities that you guys can put together for the kids, and that would be a lot of fun for them to even get to help you with some of these. So the first one I was thinking about was a marble run. Now, this is my pretend wall. You guys could do this on the side of a big box. Maybe you have a box that the kids like to play in or somewhere fun like that, and this could be on the outside or even inside. It could be on the side of the fridge. It could be a big wall that you have space for. It could be just about anywhere in the house. That's the great part about this. So I had a few toilet paper rolls, but then I was thinking we could also make this out of just a regular piece of paper. So this is a piece of paper I just rolled up and then taped to our wall. So I also found some balls. These are going to run down our marble ramp, and these are cat toys, but you could also use, maybe you find some real marbles and you want it to not be as loud as it could be if the kids are running marbles down the paper towel tubes. So maybe you put a little pillow at the end from the couch to catch all those little marbles so that when they land safely and soft and not making a loud noise, and also not chipping each other too, because that wouldn't be safe. Maybe you have some other toys that you can run down there, like a train would be a lot of fun, or another little wheeled car might be fun too. So just kind of go around your house with the kids, have them help you look for these little things, and then you guys can put them together. So this little marble ramp, it's going to be fun because it's going to bump into me. But the little marbles just go flying down. And maybe you'll do another one on the next row that goes back the other direction. Or maybe you could cut a hole in the top and have the ball come down this one and drop in. It could be just about anything you can come up with. And remember, you can decorate these too. That's the fun thing about toilet paper rolls or even paper that you've rolled up, is there's a lot of good surface area for them to color or write words. Maybe this marble ramp has a special name that they can write on there for you. My other idea involves two toilet paper rolls, and I'm going to just take a simple piece of tape and tape them together. Now, they're binoculars. So I thought this would be a fun activity for the kids to get to design while you are coming up with a scavenger hunt list. So I thought maybe they could do an indoor scavenger hunt today because it's raining outside today, but maybe tomorrow we could do an outdoor one too. So I looked around the house and I thought of different things that we could find. And the kids might be able to do this on their own, or maybe you could have a older sibling help them. I drew some pictures and things next to it so that the younger friends could definitely know what that means. This is the letter A, and they're looking for the A in this one. Maybe you could even ask one of the older siblings, if you have one around your house, to design the scavenger hunt for you. Maybe that would be a good writing and language opportunity for them. So for me, I wrote my scavenger hunt. Let's find something round. So they're learning circle and shape recognition. They might notice that, oh, a plate is round. Oh, the bottom of this container is round. Look at this. I even found my magnifying glass is round. This might be what I'm looking for all of my objects with. There's all sorts of round things around the house. The wheels, the window through this little car, all sorts of amazing things. And that's going to be the great thing, is maybe they could even say, I found 7 round things, and we could start teaching them about tally marks. They could have little lines, and then on the 5th one, they cross it. Or maybe they just continue to do lines if they're really young, and they know, oh, I found 7 round things around the house today. Then there's something black. What could be black? I was looking around and I found that our music instrument in the middle of this diamond has some black in it. So then we're learning about color recognition too. We can go on and do rainbow colors. Maybe, it depends on how long you want the scavenger hunt to take, grown-ups. Maybe they can say, these are rainbow colors, and we can lay them out in the order of a rainbow. Or you could say, this is red, this is yellow, and now we have to go find an orange thing. So maybe you slow down the activity that way too. I thought we could find something with 4 legs. Now, that might be as simple as the pet. It might be 2 grown-ups, or a grown-up and a kid. It might be the chair legs. It might be they come up with a different idea, their stuffed animal legs. There's all sorts of fun things that these guys can come up with that I might not even think of myself. That's my favorite thing, is when they surprise me and I ask them to do something and I didn't know that they were going to do it in a different way. I love the way kids think outside of the box because they don't have a box to think in. So I thought a source of music, it might be something that plays music, it might be a phone, it might be a musical instrument. There's so many possibilities. And then letters. So we're working on letter recognition down here. They might come up and say, oh, I found some letters in this. Can you guys help me find the letter A? It's a lowercase a in this one. So that might be a little bit different than the big A that my grown-up drew for me. Or maybe they've got some magnet letters around the house. I think this is just one where your brain can run wild. And, you know, the nice thing is I made a few photocopies of this. If you have the option to do that, that might be great, because then you could do this on a different day. You could switch them up, change them up, and you could say, tomorrow we're going to go look for things outside, like leaves and flowers and sticks, straight lines, curvy lines. It's just so, the ideas are endless. I'm so excited about this possibility. And I hope that you guys are too. I hope that you have so much fun with either marble ramps or scavenger hunt, or maybe both. Have a great day. Bye.